Students, in this class we are going to discuss about time reversal. Last class we have started seeing the signal operation on independent variable and dependent variable. In that, first we have discussed about the signal operation on independent variable. In that we have seen three operation. One is time shifting, time scaling and time reversal, and we have discussed about the time shifting in the last video. Now we will see in detail about time reversal. Considered a signal x of t, the time reversal. If I want to perform time reversal of a signal, okay, it is nothing but the resultant signal will be y of t, which is equal to x of minus t. So this is the time reversal of the signal. For example, consider the same problem what we have discussed in the last class, that is x of t is equal to t plus 2. This problem we have not considered. Just we take a new problem, x of t equal to t plus 2t for minus 2 less than t less than or equal to 0. 2 for 0 less than t less than or equal to 3 and 0 otherwise. So this is what your signal mathematical expression. Now what I need to do is I need to perform time reversal for it. So if you want to perform any operation, the first step is you need to write its mathematical expression, then its graphical representation. Okay, so here first we will plot what is x of t. Okay, so here consider this is what your x of t and here it is t. So the time division is 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 2. So here it is from minus 2 to 3. So I have drawn like this. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. Okay, now here the range is minus 2 to 0. First substitute minus 2 in this value, in this equation. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So I have marked 0 here. Okay, now substitute minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So for 1 it is plus 1. Okay, next substitute time t equal to 0 because it is less than or equal to 0. So I am substituting 2 here, 0 here. So you will get 2. Okay, so I will get a slope like this. Okay, next one is 0 to 3, that is greater than 0 less than or equal to 3. The value is 2, right? So for 1 it is 2, for 2 it is 2, for 3 it is 3. So here the value will be like this, 3. So you have to join a line like this. So this is what your x of t. Now what I need to do is I need to perform the time reversal. Okay, so what time reversal is? Time reversal I need to perform. The time reversal is nothing but we need to, wherever you are having t, there you need to substitute x of minus t. So here I am going to consider the same equation. Wherever I am having t, there I am going to replace by x of minus t. So here minus t plus 2, the interval is minus 2 less than minus t less than 0. Here it is t, so I am putting minus t. So now 2 for 0 less than minus t less than or equal to 3. Okay, so this is minus t and 0 otherwise. So we have, say, similar to time shifting, what we are going to do is I am going to keep this as minus t. So I am going to perform some shift. I am going to replace this minus sign. So here it is nothing but minus t plus 2. So when you bring minus 2 this side, what it will become? It will become plus 2. Okay, so t, so now it will become plus 2. Here it is 0. So when it become plus 2, just I am going to change this sign. So 0 to 2. Understood why I have changed this from? If I am multiplying minus 2, it become 2. There is no meaning in writing 2 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 0 because it is a positive number. So I have changed the range. Next it is 2. So for 2 here it is minus t. So here it is 0. So 0, and when you put minus here it will become minus 3. So here it is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 less than or equal to t less than 0. Okay, now I am going to draw the graphical representation for this. Okay, So this is what your x of minus t. Now the range is from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can take like this. Now consider this expression for positive side 0 to 2. So what is the expression? Now I am having minus t plus 2. Okay, now I will plot this range when it is 0. Okay, when you substitute 0 in this equation, what you will get? You will get 2. Okay, when you substitute 1 here, you will get plus 1. When you substitute 2, you will get 0 here. Okay, so I will draw a line like this. Okay, next for less than 0 to minus 3, the value is 2. Okay, so I am going to draw like this. Okay, now see these two expression, that is both the sides are reversed. Wherever you are having in positive side, now it is replaced in the negative side. See, in positive side 1, 2, 3. Now here you are having minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Just it is reversed. You need to keep this as a reference. So whatever you are having positive side, you need to shift to the negative side. Similarly, whatever you are having in the negative side, you shift to positive side. So this is what the time reversal. Just you need to replace x of t in x of t by t by minus t, and similar you need to do this procedure and you will obtain the this results. Now consider the second problem. Same time reversal, here we are going to do it, but the thing is here it is a discrete time sequence. How it is a discrete time sequence? It is represented by x of n. Now I am going to perform this discrete time x of minus n. So listen here there is no mathematical expression, because here you are having a discrete values. Okay, so here in this case what we need to do is, we may not able to have the range and we may not able to solve in the previous method. Okay, simply what we need to do is, just keep this origin as such. This, we know that this arrow indicate the value at the origin. These are all the positive values. So this is the value at the index 2. This is 1, 2 and 3, and this is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4. These are all the index. Okay, now just you need to replace it. So here whatever you are having in positive side, there you will get here in the negative side. Okay, so I am replacing 2, 3, 2 here, minus 1, 3, 2, 1. So this is the time reversal of this discrete time sequence. Now I need to plot this sequence. Okay, so first I am going to plot x of n. So origin 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So origin value is 4. Okay, just I am plotting 4 here at the origin. So at 1 it is 2, at 2 it is 3, at 3 it is 2, and here at minus 1 it is minus 1, at minus 2 it is 3, at minus 3 it is 2, at minus 4 it is 1. So this is the graphical representation of x of n. Now I need to perform this x of minus n. Okay, x of minus n, just a reversal. Okay, at origin the value does not change, so it will be like this. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, whatever the value we are having, negative side will go to the positive side. So minus 1, so here you will have 3, next it is 2, and next it is 1. Next here positive side value will come to the negative side, so here it is 2, so here it is 3, so here it is 2. So now both the sides are reversed. So this is what the time reversal. Hope you understand this time reversal operation. And also with here consider this problem. Here we have solved time shifting by 2 method, right? So this is what the method 1, right? Just by substituting the equivalent value for t. Next This is the method 1, just by substituting the value of t. Next, by visual inspection itself we can do it. That is the method 2. What we did there, by shifting, we know that shifting means that we will equate this minus t is equal to 0, t plus 3 equal to 0 when we will use t is equal to minus 3. Similarly, here in time reversal there is no need to do anything. Just you remember this, in time reversal just the axis is going to change. That is, the positive value will lie in the negative value, and negative value will go to the positive value side. Okay, so here this is what going to change. Okay, so now this is the original sequence. So here minus 2, here it is, so here the value is 1 2. At minus 2 it is going to 0. At 1 it is going to plus 1. At 0 it is going to be 2. Okay, similarly in negative side, here you are having 3 values. So for 1 2 3 the value is 2. So it is 1 2 3. So here you will get the graphical representation like this, which is similar to this method 1. So you can do you can solve problem either by using method 1 and method 2, whichever is easy you can use this. Okay, so I hope I hope that you understand the time reversal concept, and next we will see the time scaling concept. Thank you.